Hey, y'all. Let me get this right here. Okay. Thank y'all. Let's go on just remove that from the rest of the group. They don't know how to act. So, to lay out to love to learn. People always ask me, how do you say this or how do you say that or how are you brave enough or courageous enough or I just know how to be me and I'm comfortable being me and I know when to stand up and I know when to stand down. But I think they come with, just growing and being a woman and growing and changing and evolving. But I did want to go over ways to speak up for yourself, ways to get your point across without being a B word or aggressive. But when you black, they want you to be there anyway. So they stereotype and typecast you anyway. And when they don't want to hear what you're saying, even though black women are leading the black community, but there are also other women from other ethnicities and other races. If you can't tell here, I am for women power. Like, we need to unite and stop all this whatever we be doing, bickering and bantering and stopping and slandering and defamation of people's character. So look, the first thing you can do is find clear, short, concise ways to say what you mean and get your point across. Because men love to say, oh, she just being emotional. Oh, she just in her feelings. Clear, short, concise. Let's bring it all together. You think about your feelings and all that you want to say. You don't say all the other stuff. The facts of the situation, not all the feelings and stuff. That's one. Assume that sometimes give people the benefit of the doubt. Assume that maybe they being sarcastic or trying to be funny. Let's not just attack people all the time unless we know their character for sure. They say confide in a friend, but I find that I might, but not at work. Like, I don't really have a lot of friends at work. That's why we co-workers here. But I don't know. That's choice to see if you on the same page, or you can kind of throw a fish or a net out there, which I have done, to see if somebody else feel the same, or if I'm just tripping in the workplace or in a place of professionalism, or place where I'm volunteering, or if I do have a concern, I do express it to somebody that I trust more than the other people, which I usually never trust anybody. But not at work, honey. It's a dog-eat-dog world out here when you got a career. So, what else did they say? To laugh, to love, to learn. Y'all can check out a video about me if y'all want to know more about what I'm talking about. So, make the discomfort about you and not them. So, what you do is you make it seem like, oh, it's my fault. I'm tripping. Like, when George was on Seinfeld, like, what was that? Because it's not you, it's me. Nobody want to hear it's not you, it's me. So, just like reverse, I do that all the time. You make it seem like it's your fault, and then they'll kind of confess what they saying. Yeah, okay, psychological. Okay, y'all know the psych game. So, what else? Put yourself in somebody else's shoes. I think as women, we do that by nature, and nobody ever put themselves in our shoes. So we got to stand up for ourselves and stick up for ourselves and those who are coming behind us. Because a lot of times, I done had issues or things at jobs or company. I tell them, I'm not even just doing this to me, because if you're doing it to me, you have done it to numerous people and it worked. But here it stops. Or at least if it don't stop, I want you to think about a time when. Because when they sue you, I'm not the suing type though, so. Actively play out different types of responses to offensive remarks or problem behavior. So when people do stuff, just in your mind, next time they do this, I'm going to do this. Next time they do that, I'm going to do that. Or see how it sound. Play it back in your mirror, write in your diary, or just do it in your head. So that when it come up, you already know how you feel, you already know what to say, and you'll know what's the facts and what's the opinions. So I hope this helps you guys in the workplace. Super duper career woman is the black woman in America, and a lot of women in America who are not black. We are often the caretakers of our entire families. We get everything done. We balancing checks books. We going to the mall, and we're going to the bank, and we're going on the stock exchange. We doing all kind of stuff. So I just don't want you guys to get overwhelmed, and don't let them pull that emotional cord on you, because they do that all the time. Oh, you just feel like that, and then they dismiss you. So if you come with clear, concise, factual information, at the same time you say, okay, well, everything you saying is fine, but I'm saying this. Then they say, la 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 la. Do you say, okay, that's fine, I'm still saying this? Because they try to bait and hook you to go somewhere else with it. You stick on your facts. You stick on your core. You stick on your values. You stick on what you're saying to articulate it, so they can stop playing you. So, all right, I hope this video helps somebody. Or you can check out the things to stop feeling guilty about. I did make a video about that. Then I made a video about how to keep your man in America. Like, we are often the carriers of everything in America. So I'll see you in a minute. Mwah.